Here's a fun vegan weekend brunch recipe. It's called blue pancakes. It's not blueberries, but you can add fresh fruit on top. I learned this from Lena's vegan site. I'll post it. It's Superfood spirulena green powder. This is raw, vegan, non-GMO. It's got vitamin A, B, vitamins, iron, protein, amino acids. It's vegan, so it's no eggs. Instead of eggs, she suggested chia eggs, which is so simple. I just put the recipe, I think it was 2 tablespoons chia to 4 tablespoons water, and that's instead of egg, which also is good for your hair and nails and other nutrients. So it looks blue because it's the spirulena for pancakes, vegan style. Yay. Try it.